Today, we're going to be going over how to install outdoor floor decals on concrete with an application roller. So first things first, the things you're going to need. You'll need one vinyl application roller, one broom or something to clean the concrete off with, and the decal you will be installing. Once you have your tools ready to go ahead and brush off the concrete with the broom. Make sure the surface is free from dirt, sand, rocks, and other debris. Also make sure that you're not installing these decals over seams in the concrete. Failure to follow these steps could make the graphic fail and posing a risk to those walking over them. Once the surface is prepared, take the graphic and place it on the ground with the print side up. Peel a couple inches of the liner back to expose the adhesive, fold the liner over the top of itself, and make a crease like you're folding a piece of paper. Take extra caution to not let the adhesive touch itself. Once the adhesive is exposed, tack it to the ground with your fingers and make firm, overlapping strokes moving from the crease you made earlier to the edge of the film. After this, you're able to peel the rest of the liner back of the graphic. Lightly tack the remaining vinyl to the concrete and roll from the center out, working in the shape of a T. Be sure to keep moderate to heavy consistent pressure on the roller to make sure that the graphic does not lift. If you need to, you can always take a torch, hit it with some heat, and make it conform a little bit easier.